Hey guys, welcome to Cactus Jerk. I am Cactus Jerk and I have something to unpack with you. Today it's nothing that's typically clothes, but it's accessories. And yeah, let's start. Here it is. Little letter, little letter. Envelope. Oh, come on, man. I'll unpack it at the bottom. Oh, come on, man. There it is. Isn't this cool? I mean, I know it is a little bit kitschy, but I just love this. It has this old, like, Celtic vibe. Very nice design. And this will be my new, like, belt buckle. Like my standard belt buckle. If you see this thing, you instantly know it's Cactus Jerk. Something like this, you know. I have no idea how to put this thing on the belt, but I hope I can get it on. Definitely nice. It looks like it's old, like from the 80s or so. There's no date on it, and I'm sure it could have been like made later. But it has this old, this old look. Yeah, cool. I paid $5 plus shipping, so eventually it was like $7.50 or something like that. But money well spent. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. Give us a subscribe, and there'll be more stuff like this soon. Bye.